On October 4, 1957, the world changed forever. A small metal sphere called Sputnik 1 was launched into orbit by the Soviet Union. This event was not just a technological achievement, but a geopolitical statement. The launch of Sputnik 1 signaled the Soviet Union's entry into the space age, and it sent shockwaves around the world. This was the first artificial satellite to orbit Earth. It was a marvel of engineering, weighing about 184 pounds and measuring 23 inches in diameter. Sputnik 1 orbited the Earth at a speed of about 18,000 miles per hour, completing an orbit every 96 minutes. Sputnik's beep, beep, beep signal could be heard around the globe. These signals were simple radio pulses, but they carried a profound message. Humanity had taken its first step into the cosmos. Amateur radio operators and scientists alike tuned in to listen to the steady rhythm of Sputnik's transmissions. It marked the beginning of the space age. This era was characterized by rapid advancements in space technology and exploration. The successful launch of Sputnik 1 demonstrated that space was no longer the exclusive domain of science fiction. It was a new frontier to be explored and conquered. The launch of Sputnik 1 ignited a fierce competition between the United States and the Soviet Union. This competition was not just about space, it was a battle for ideological supremacy. The two superpowers were locked in a Cold War, and space became the latest arena for their rivalry. This became known as the space race. The space race was a period of intense competition and innovation, as both nations sought to outdo each other in space exploration. It was a race to achieve milestones that would demonstrate technological and scientific prowess. Both countries poured resources into rocket technology and astronaut training. The United States established NASA in 1958, while the Soviet Union continued to develop its space program under the leadership of visionary engineers like Sergei Korolev. They wanted to prove their technological superiority. Each success in space was seen as a victory for the respective political systems of the two superpowers. The stakes were high, and the world watched with bated breath as each new mission was launched. The early years of the space race were filled with firsts. These achievements were not just about reaching space, but also about pushing the boundaries of human knowledge and capability. The Soviets launched the first animal into orbit, a dog named Laika. Laika's mission aboard Sputnik 2 in November 1957 was a significant milestone, although it was also a somber one as she did not survive the journey. The US followed with Explorer 1, its first satellite. Launched in January 1958, Explorer 1 discovered the Van Allen radiation belts, a major scientific achievement that provided valuable data about the Earth's magnetosphere. Each mission pushed the boundaries of what was possible. From the first human spaceflight by Yuri Gagarin to the Apollo moon landings, the space race was a period of unprecedented exploration and discovery. The space race was about more than just national pride. It was about advancing human knowledge and understanding of the universe. The scientific discoveries made during this period have had lasting impacts on technology, medicine, and our understanding of the cosmos. It was about exploring the unknown. The missions undertaken during the space race expanded our horizons and showed us that the sky was not the limit. It was just the beginning. It was about pushing the limits of human ingenuity. The challenges of space exploration required innovative solutions and led to the development of new technologies that have since become integral to our daily lives. It was about inspiring future generations to dream of the stars. The legacy of the space race continues to inspire scientists, engineers, and dreamers to look beyond our planet and imagine what lies beyond. The spirit of exploration and discovery that was ignited by Sputnik 1 still burns brightly today. The world held its breath on April 12, 1961. It was a day that would forever change the course of human history. The anticipation was palpable as people from all corners of the globe tuned in to witness a monumental event. Yuri Gagarin, a Soviet cosmonaut, became the first human to journey into space. This remarkable feat was the culmination of years of rigorous training, scientific innovation, and unyielding determination. He orbited Earth aboard the Vostok 1 spacecraft, a marvel of engineering that had been meticulously designed to withstand the harsh conditions of space. As Gagarin soared above the planet, he experienced weightlessness and saw the Earth from a perspective that no human had ever seen before. Gagarin's historic flight lasted just over 108 minutes. In that brief span of time, he completed a full orbit around the Earth, traveling at speeds that defied imagination. The mission was a testament to the incredible advancements in technology and human ingenuity. His journey captured the imagination of people worldwide. From the bustling streets of New York to the quiet villages of Siberia, the news of Gagarin's achievement spread like wildfire. It was a moment of collective awe and wonder, a shared experience that transcended borders and ideologies. Gagarin's achievement was a testament to human courage and ingenuity. It demonstrated that with enough determination and effort, humanity could overcome seemingly insurmountable challenges. Gagarin's bravery and the dedication of the countless scientists and engineers who supported him were celebrated around the world. It marked a pivotal moment in the space race. The successful mission of Vostok 1 signaled to the world that the Soviet Union was a formidable force in space exploration. This achievement intensified the competition between the United States and the Soviet Union, each striving to outdo the other in the quest for space supremacy. The flight of Yuri Gagarin was a major victory for the Soviet Union in the space race. It was a source of immense national pride and a demonstration of the Soviet Union's technological prowess. Celebrations erupted across the country, with Gagarin hailed as a hero and a symbol of Soviet strength. It spurred the United States to accelerate its own space program. The American response was swift and determined, with increased funding and resources allocated to NASA. The race to space had become a matter of national prestige and scientific achievement. President John F. Kennedy declared a national goal of landing a man on the moon before the end of the decade. This ambitious objective galvanized the American public and the scientific community, setting the stage for one of the most remarkable achievements in human history. Gagarin's bravery paved the way for future astronauts. His successful mission provided invaluable data and insights that would inform subsequent spaceflights. The legacy of his journey is evident in the continued exploration of space and the ongoing quest to push the boundaries of human potential. He became a global icon, a symbol of humanity's reach for the stars. Gagarin's name is synonymous with courage, exploration, and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. His story is a reminder of what can be achieved when we dare to dream big and strive for the seemingly impossible. His story continues to inspire generations of scientists, engineers, and dreamers. The impact of Gagarin's journey extends far beyond the realm of space exploration. It has ignited a passion for discovery and innovation in countless individuals, driving them to explore new frontiers and push the limits of what is possible. Yuri Gagarin's pioneering journey is a testament to the indomitable spirit of human curiosity and the enduring quest for knowledge. President Kennedy's bold challenge led to the Apollo program. This ambitious undertaking aimed to land humans on the moon. The program captivated the world. Millions watched as NASA worked tirelessly towards this ambitious goal. The Apollo missions were a series of groundbreaking achievements. Apollo 8 was the first manned spacecraft to orbit the moon. Apollo 11, launched on July 16, 1969, carried astronauts Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins. On July 20, 1969, the world watched in awe as Neil Armstrong became the first human to set foot on the moon. "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind," he famously declared. This moment remains etched in human history. The Apollo missions returned a wealth of scientific data. They expanded our understanding of the moon and the solar system. More importantly, they inspired generations to dream of reaching for the stars. Section 4. Reaching for the Stars, the Space Shuttle Era. After the Apollo program, NASA focused on developing a reusable spacecraft. The Space Shuttle was born. This remarkable vehicle could launch like a rocket and land like a plane. The Shuttle Era began in 1981 with the launch of Columbia. The Space Shuttle became a workhorse for NASA. It carried astronauts to and from low Earth orbit for 30 years. The shuttle deployed satellites, conducted scientific research, and helped build the International Space Station. The shuttle program had its share of tragedies. The Challenger disaster in 1986 and the Columbia disaster in 2003 reminded us of the risks associated with space exploration. However, the program's successes far outweighed its setbacks. The Space Shuttle program helped us understand our planet better. It spurred technological advancements. It paved the way for future space exploration endeavors. Section 5. Robotic Explorers, Unveiling the Secrets of Mars. While humans ventured into low Earth orbit, robotic explorers were sent to distant corners of our solar system. These mechanical pioneers have become our eyes and ears, venturing where humans cannot yet tread. Mars, the red planet, became a prime target. Its mysterious surface and potential for past life have intrigued scientists for decades. NASA sent a series of increasingly sophisticated robotic missions to explore our planetary neighbor. Each mission built upon the successes and lessons of its predecessors, pushing the boundaries of what we know about Mars. The Viking missions in the 1970s provided the first close-up images of the Martian surface. These images revealed a barren, rocky landscape but also hinted at the planet's complex geological history. The Sojourner rover in 1997 captivated the world with its exploration of the Ares Vallis region. This small but mighty rover demonstrated the feasibility of mobile exploration on Mars, paving the way for future missions. The Spirit and Opportunity rovers, landing in 2004, found evidence that Mars was once a much warmer and wetter planet. Their discoveries of ancient riverbeds and mineral deposits suggested that liquid water once flowed on the Martian surface. The Curiosity rover, which landed in 2012, continues to explore the Martian surface, searching for signs of past or present life. Equipped with advanced scientific instruments, Curiosity has analyzed rock samples and detected organic molecules, hinting at the possibility of ancient life. These robotic explorers have revolutionized our understanding of Mars. They have uncovered evidence of a dynamic planet with a history of volcanic activity, shifting climates, and the potential for habitability. They have sent back a treasure trove of scientific data. This data has been invaluable in shaping our understanding of Mars's past, present, and future. Their discoveries continue to fuel our fascination with the red planet and the search for life beyond Earth. As we look to the future, new missions are being planned to further explore Mars, including the possibility of human exploration. The journey to uncover the secrets of Mars is far from over, and each new discovery brings us one step closer to understanding our place in the universe.